Now in TopSolid 2017, it is possible to have TopSolid help you to make better decisions during the design process. What do I mean? In this example, you can see that I just added a drilling to that face, and that's great. It's convenient and everything, but I didn't pay attention to the design intent of the model. And now watch what happens. I'm going to go back and I'm going to make a change to the repetition used to make all of those different slots. Now instead of there being 20, I'm going to say there's only 4. And boom, we have a rebuild error. Why? It's because that reference edge that we built the frame on to build the drilling on doesn't exist anymore. Well, how do we avoid this? Well, in fact, what we can do is we can go to the Visualization tab and we can turn on a new command called Filter Unsafe Items. With this command active, it's going to block you from linking things to edges that could be modified and thus lose that reference to that edge. Let's have a look. Here, when I go back to the drilling command, you can see it's only selecting the bottom face of the model because that bottom face of the model is likely not going to be affected by any of the other changes. And this, by the way, does change based on how you design your parts. That's a pretty smart function. So in this case, it's forcing me as the designer to make a better decision. Here, I'm going to manually say, okay, I want to reference this plane and then this outer edge and then this outer edge. And I get my dimensions, as you can see. I'm going to make some changes to the dimensions. I may even make a change or two referencing what the orientation of the x-axis is versus the y-axis, whatever, just normal design constraints, right? So down here I'm going to say my orientation of x is like so. Now you can see that my frame is built off the extreme edges of the model. And now if we go make a design change, you'll see that nothing blows up. Again, this blowing up or not blowing up of the model, this is kind of standard in the world of parametric design. With this new command, we're hoping to make your life a bit easier.